Welcome to our channel. Need to download multiple OneDrive files at once? Follow these efficient steps to bulk download files and folders. Step 1. Open OneDrive in your web browser. Sign in to OneDrive.com with your Microsoft account credentials. Step 2. Navigate to files you want to download. Browse to the folder containing files or use search to find specific items. Step 3. Select multiple files using checkboxes. Click the circle next to each file or use quadruple click for multiple selections. Step 4. Use Select All for entire folders. Click the checkbox at the top to select all visible files in current view. Step 5. Click Download button in Toolbar. The download option appears once you've selected one or more files. Step 6. Wait for zip file preparation. OneDrive creates a compressed file containing all selected items for download. Step 7. Save the zip file to your computer, choose download location, and wait for the transfer to complete. Step 8. Extract files from zip archive. Right-click the downloaded zip file and select Extract All to access your files. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.